Hello, food lovers and history enthusiasts. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we take you on a journey through time, culture, and cuisine. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most fascinating topics in the culinary world. Food through the ages, traditional recipes meet modern innovation. Food is a bridge between generations. From ancient fire-roasted meats to 21st century molecular gastronomy, the way we cook and eat has evolved dramatically. But what happens when we merge traditional recipes with modern techniques? Can we keep the heart of a dish intact while making it more creative, healthier, or even futuristic? In this episode, we'll explore how age-old recipes have been adapted in today's kitchens, bringing the best of both worlds together. Get ready for a culinary adventure through time. 1. The evolution of bread. From ancient flatbreads to 3D printed loaves. Ancient recipe: Egyptian flatbread. One of the earliest known breads dates back to ancient Egypt around 3000 BCE. Made with simple ingredients like wheat flour, water, and natural yeast, these breads were baked on hot stones or clay ovens. Modern twist: 3D printed bread and gluten-free innovations. Scientists and bakers have created 3D food printers that can make custom-designed bread loaves. Gluten-free bread made with chickpea flour, almond flour, or quinoa caters to modern dietary needs. Why it works? Keeps the basic concept of bread, but adapts it to modern health concerns and futuristic technology. Uses ancient fermentation methods while introducing new grains and digital precision. Where to try it? Modernist Bread Lab, Seattle, USA. Experiments with futuristic baking techniques. Egyptian markets, Cairo, Egypt, still serve flatbreads based on centuries-old methods. 2. Soups and stews, from medieval pottages to deconstructed broths. Ancient recipe: French onion soup, 17th century France. This dish originated as a peasant meal, made from simple ingredients like caramelized onions, beef broth, and toasted bread topped with melted cheese. Modern twist: deconstructed French onion soup. Instead of a traditional soup bowl, chefs now serve it as onion foam, cheese crisps, and beef in separate elements, letting diners mix flavors interactively. Why? It works. Keeps the deep umami flavors of slow-cooked onions while adding a playful, interactive presentation. Uses molecular gastronomy to break down a classic into its essential flavor components. Where to try it? L'Atelier de Jules Robicon, Paris, France. Famous for its modern take on French classics. Molecular gastronomy restaurants worldwide where tradition meets science. 3. Rice dishes, from ancient pilafs to sushi bowls and risotto chips. Ancient recipe: Persian pilaf, 500 BCE. Rice was first cultivated thousands of years ago, and Persian pilaf is one of the earliest structured rice dishes. Flavored with saffron, dried fruits, and nuts, it laid the groundwork for biryani, paella, and risotto. Modern twist: sushi bowls and risotto chips. Sushi bowls, a deconstructed version of sushi where rice is served in a bowl with fresh toppings instead of being rolled in seaweed. Risotto chips, crispy bite-sized risotto crackers that deliver the creamy, cheesy flavors of risotto in a snackable form. Why it works? Keeps the core ingredient rice, but transforms its texture and presentation. Makes traditional rice dishes more portable and convenient. Where to try it? Tokyo street food stalls, Japan. Perfect for sushi bowls and innovative rice dishes. Experimental Italian kitchens, where risotto chips and truffle risotto spheres are trending. 4. Fermented foods, from ancient kimchi to probiotic ice cream. Ancient recipe: Korean kimchi, 1,000 plus years old. Kimchi, made from fermented cabbage, chili, and garlic, was developed as a method of food preservation long before refrigeration existed. Modern twist: kimchi-flavored probiotic ice cream. Chefs have experimented with adding kimchi juice to ice cream, creating a savory sweet probiotic dessert. Why it works? Keeps the gut health benefits of fermented foods while expanding into new culinary territories. Offers a unique balance of spice, acidity, and creaminess. Where to try it? Seoul S. Experimental dessert, South Korea. Pioneering new ways to eat kimchi. Fine dining establishments known for playing with sweet and savory contrasts. 5. Meat preparation. From ancient pit roasting to lab-grown meat. Ancient recipe: Hawaiian Kalua pig, Polynesian tradition. Kalua pig is slow-cooked in an underground oven. Emu for hours, absorbing smoky flavors from banana leaves and volcanic rocks. Modern twist: lab-grown meat and smoked meat foam. Lab-grown pork. Scientists have created cell-based pork that mimics traditional flavors while reducing environmental impact. Smoked meat foam. Chefs now serve barbecue-inspired dishes with airy whipped textures, giving a new dimension to smoked meats. Why it works? Maintains the traditional umami and smoky depth while reducing reliance on animal farming. Uses science to mimic slow-cooked flavors without long cooking times. Where to try it? Lab-grown meat restaurants, Singapore, Netherlands, leading the future of sustainable meat. Hawaiian Luos, where you can still taste the original pit-roasted delicacy. 6. Desserts. From ancient honey cakes to molecular pastries, ancient recipe. Roman honey cakes, 2nd century AD. Romans made dense honey cakes using wheat, nuts, and honey, one of the earliest forms of dessert. Modern twist. Honey cake spheres and freeze-dried honey mousse. Honey cake spheres made with liquid nitrogen. These bite-sized honey spheres burst in the mouth. Freeze-dried honey mousse, a futuristic take that turns liquid honey into a crunchy, airy dessert. Why it works? Keeps the sweetness and natural essence of honey while adding texture innovation. Blends ancient ingredients with modern culinary science. Where to try it? Michelin-starred dessert bars, where pastry chefs push the boundaries of classic sweets. Rome's traditional bakeries, still offering honey-based desserts based on ancient recipes, merging the old with the new. From 3D printed bread to deconstructed soups, the evolution of food shows that tradition and innovation can work together. Chefs and food scientists worldwide are finding ways to honor historical flavors while experimenting with futuristic techniques. What's your take? Do you prefer classic recipes as they are, or are you open to modern adaptations? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more exciting food journeys through time.